So Ross, you went through our certification program, and then obviously we worked together one-on-one or in group coaching sessions. So after going through the courses, you were able to work essentially as a consultant with a company selling to the government, right?
Yeah, absolutely. My name's Ross, and I learned a lot going through the program. It gives you a start to finish concept of what exactly government contracting and government sales are. I think it also does a really good job of, if you talk about the FAR and some of the nuts and bolts of contracting overall, there's a whole bunch of complicated bits that you can get really lost in, and trying to look through those things and understand a strategy. It's like from day one, you presented a strategy of we're going to follow these pieces, and this is the methodology we're going to use, and you really reinforce that through every lesson. The people that are coming to get this skill set, they're not selling popsicles. They're selling really big contracts, and when they're coming down looking for someone to help with that, they're seriously asking for some high value, high dollar help. And you seem to have a high dollar amount whenever people are actually engaging in these services.
We're talking about government contracting. The last time we ran the numbers, the average small business was doing $2.3 million a year. So if you have the ability to help a company generate $2.3 million a year, what can you charge for that? Right. And I have my ideas, right? We won't go through that here, but you can charge a lot because the direct result of what you're doing is potentially millions of dollars for that company because government contracts are typically big.
I think the biggest thing about going through your courses is when I'm sitting there talking to our clients, I'm actually coming from a point of like knowledge and understanding that I got through the courses, and gives me some confidence to say, hey, no, when we're replying to this RFI, this is what we're trying to do, and this is the end result, and being able to explain it to them in a way that I don't think I would without your courses.
You're able to help multiple companies through the different processes. Some of them are paying you a monthly retainer. Some of them might be paying you a project fee. And you're able to do that remotely in, what'd you say, Southern Bavaria?
Yep. The lifestyle that me and my wife are trying to live is traveling, a little bit of flexibility there. I'm able to work on weekends. I'm able to work before everyone's awake in the States. There's a really incredible amount of flexibility that I'm enjoying with it.
Oh, that's great.